All right, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Let's get straight into this video. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin, but not any of the fundamentals. We're going to be looking purely at the technical analysis, which is pretty much the chart with the candles on there for those of you who are very new to trading. We're going to be looking at Dogecoin. The reason why we are looking at it is because it is on the top 10 list on CoinGecko of coins all around the world right now. All cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin comes in at number 10. As you guys know, before we get into this video, we got to do a quick government risk disclaimer. Let you guys know that I am not a financial advisor. The information that you receive in this video is not financial advice. This video is purely intended for me to show you guys how I use different concepts such as ICT concepts to, potentially set myself up well, not only in, the crypto markets, but just in any market, you guys. So let's get straight into this video. All right, you guys. So right here we have the 6-month chart on Dogecoin. So you guys know, if you have watched any of the other videos that I just dropped, right? And if you guys notice, right, all of those videos that I have posted right now, they're pretty much, all of those are top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world right now as far as market cap, you guys. So I wanted to start off with, obviously the number one and to the number 100 coin that we can talk about, right? So now we're looking at Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is number 10. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, so far on the 6-month chart, I'm not really a big fan of this chart right here. There's not that much market structure for us to go off of. We can obviously box up this wick right here. All right, I'm going to box up this wick, and then I'm going to label it up here. Change this color to red. And then I'm going to click on this box and then label it as 6-month wick. All right, so now that I have that label, I'm going to lock that in. It don't have to be perfect. Does not have to be perfect. I'm just trying to get my computer to work right now. All right, maybe that's what it was. All right, there we go. So let's lock that in. Bam. Now, as we drop down through time frames, right? As we drop down, we could try to find different things, because all markets are going to be a little bit different. But there's always something for us to find. So like right here on the 4-month chart, we see this order block right here on the 4-month chart, right? And the order block is going to be this red candle right here, you guys. This is the order block candle. The reason why this is an order block candle is because we have a really fast moving market on this next candle right here. So this is a change in state of delivery, making that an order block candle, right? So we can box this order block up, right? And this is the 4-month chart, so we can box this up. All right, so if I zoom into here, we do want it to be a little bit closer to the actual, So let me zoom in on that. We can change this to green, indicating that we want it to be support, not green in the sense of, we want to buy as soon as it touches this zone. And then we can lock that up right there, right? And the reason why this is going to be an important zone is because these little lows right here, remember, this is the 4-month chart. So each one of these candles, this low, right, each one of these candles represents 4 months of price action. So this low down here is going to be significant. Notice how we already touched off the top of this 4-month order block one time already, bounced off. Wasn't even able to get there one time, build up more liquidity, right? That's what that's going to look like on the lower time frames. This green candle, the low of this green candle is just essentially the market saying, hey, we're going to build up some more liquidity. And then eventually it's going to want to sweep these two lows right here, right? Maybe touch the midpoint of this 4-month order block, you guys. So The midpoint of that price is about 12 cents for Dogecoin. So as you guys can see, Dogecoin have already been coming down off of its highs. So just like in our other videos, I told you guys, we looking at the 6-month chart. We haven't even had a body, right? None of these candles have closed inside of this 6-month wick right here, you guys. So Dogecoin is definitely coming down for sure. So if I was looking to buy Dogecoin, which I am not right now, you guys, this is just a technical analysis. I don't have any Dogecoin on my in my portfolio. But if I was trying to buy it, I would have my, buy limit. I would start trying to scale in somewhere around 11 cents or lower, you know. And if it breaks through this order block right here, then it could easily continue to go much lower, you guys. So me personally, I wouldn't be long on Dogecoin at all. But you never know how much it can probably bounce. Maybe it'll give you a little bit of a bounce. But as of now, this is a very, very bearish type of chart. I don't even have to continue to go down into the lower time frames. But if we look at the 1 month time frame, we can see other things that's giving us a lot of bearishness as well, right? This right here is the liquidity pool, right? So I will look at these two almost relative equal lows right here as liquidity. So honestly, even lower than 11 cents, if you really want to hold on to some Dogecoin, I would try to, like if I wanted to be a buyer, I would be looking for 7 cents or below. 7 cents or below. So that's pretty much my analysis on Dogecoin. I really don't even have to go too much lower into the weekly or the daily time frames. I guess the overall point of the story is going down, So like I said, I'm not looking to buy Dogecoin, but this is my technical analysis, you guys. So make sure y'all drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about my commentary. Is there any other things that you guys want me to go over? I try to make these breakdowns real short and sweet. As you guys can see, I had a monthly fair value gap marked out right here on the monthly time frame. This little gray box was already marked out, right? And what I would have wanted to see the market do when it was all the way up here is I would have wanted to see us come down and hold this level right here a lot better than what it did, right? Notice how the bodies of these candles aren't being held by this zone the way that you would want to see it be held, right? So once we started working our way into this zone and we broke down, now we're using this zone as resistance, and then it's just looking like we're gonna continue to come a little bit lower, right? So I'm not really bullish on Dogecoin right now, but we'll see. You guys leave a comment down below. Are you guys still investing in Doge? I don't even know what's going on with Doge right now. I know at one point Elon Musk, he was in there backing Dogecoin up a little bit, but this chart just doesn't really look good to me. So buyers beware for the Doge right now, you guys. So that's the video. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video, man. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And like I always say, use code TRUCKIN if you guys are going to go buy any of the prop firms you see me affiliated with in the description below, you guys. That's the best way to support the channel. And I will see y'all in the next video, man. Peace out.